Pag nag-crave ako ng Bosom and cold noodles, this is where I go. Hey friends, more than a decade na siguro akong kumakain dito sa Minsok with family, friends, or kami ni Lovey. Hindi nawawala sa order namin dito recently, yung Bosom and Makguksu. This is their Bosom Jongshake or Bosom set. It comes with boiled pork na ang ganda ng quality, good ratio of meat to fat. Ganda rin ang luto niya, tender pero hindi yung nag-fall apart na. It's served with lettuce and napa cabbage. Choose the wrapper you prefer, both works well naman. Then ito yung mga magpapalasa nito. Bosom sauce, sour sauce, and spicy radish. Actually, di ko sure yung mga names nila, nag-iimbento lang ako. Then you can add raw garlic or green chili. Wrap it up and eat it in one bite. It's different flavors and textures in your mouth. Sarap din ito if may perilla leaves sila, although it's something na you either love or hate, parang cilantro. This also comes with rice that you can add to the wrap or just with the pork and condiments. I love pairing Bosom with Korean cold noodles like this makguksu or Korean cold buckwheat noodle. Flavor-wise, it's savory, tangy,